First of all, we need to take all-purpose flour, add powdered sugar in that, then add a pinch of salt, add baking soda and baking powder as well. Mix it well. Add vinegar, or if you don't have vinegar at home, then you can squeeze drops of lemon. Mix it well again. Add milk to knead the whole mixture in a dough, and the dough will be smooth. Add milk in step by step as you want. After kneading the dough, put some like 2 scoops of butter. I'm doing the video by myself only, so that's why it's this can be a little bit messy. Forgive me for that. Do like, share and subscribe. This might seem, of course, this is messy, but yeah, this will work. Keep the dough like this for 1 hour or something. Then what you need to do, just make small balls of from the dough, and then it's time for making thick sheets. Don't make the sheets too thin, that way you will not get the the proper donut shapes. So make the sheets a little bit thicker side, and yeah, if you have a donut cutter, so you can use that. But if you don't have a donut cutter or donut with what you can give shape of that, so you can use a big steel container and a small one. Here I have used one big like bowl, I guess, bowl of steel, and one cap of bottle, which is of Coke bottle, and I have made the shape of donut, and you're gonna see it in just minutes. Yeah, I have made this in this way. This is super easy, guys. Try this at home and comment down below. You can enjoy these luxurious foods at home without going out and breaking the rules of lockdown. So this is the time to fry the donuts. Put the donuts in the oil. Keep the flame low to medium. That way it will cook properly. It will give you a brownish golden color, and then you can think that it is well cooked. Fry both the sides well. You can see that the donuts are almost ready. Now this is time to make the cream. So in the milk you need to put some scoops of butter. We need to make everything at home because now we can't get out and have the cream. So mix it well. You need to make it very thicker that it will act as the cream. Add a little bit of all-purpose flour and stir it well. See, it is becoming thicker and thicker. Add some corn flour to the mixture. You can add some scoops of dairy milk to it and it will give you a chocolatey flavor and color. Put that over the donuts you have made already and serve it. Enjoy it. Like, share and subscribe. Love you.